Hi everyone, I am Sujoy from Team ApnaHire. This is ApnaHire AI, an intelligent candidate discovery and ranking engine built for the Redrob Intelligent Candidate Discovery and Ranking Challenge. So in this demo, I will walk you through how our system finds, scores and explains the best fit candidate for any job description. Now on the dashboard, you can instantly see the scale of the run. Here we processed and ranked over 1 lakh candidate profiles and the system surfaces the top scores and the average score at a glance. Below that is our leaderboard. The top 10 candidates ranked by our hybrid scoring engine combining semantic similarity, career relevance, experience match, and behavioral signals. Let's look at the Candidate Explorer. This lets a recruiter search for any specific candidate by their ID and instantly see why they were ranked the way they were. Here we can see the candidate's rank, their hybrid score, and most importantly, an explainable reasoning statement. This is not a black box. Every ranking decision is backed by measurable signals like semantic match strength, relevant AI experience, recruiter engagement, and GitHub activity. Suppose if a candidate ID does not exist in our rank dataset, the system gracefully informs the user instead of breaking. Now, moving on to the analytics. This gives recruiters a bird's eye view of the overall score distribution across all ranked candidates. Here's a breakdown of our top 20 candidates by score, making it easy to spot the strongest match at a glance. Finally, the About page. Finally, the About page summarizes our approach, combining semantic search, career history analysis, and experience matching, behavioral signal scoring, and hybrid ranking system. This all built using Python, Pandas, Sentence Transformer, Scikit-Learn, Plotly, and Streamlit. So that's ApnaHire AI, fast, explainable, and built to help recruiters find the right talent faster. Thanks for watching, and thank you to the Redrob team for this challenge. Thank you.